Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about iceberg order. What is iceberg order, why we use it, how to use it, and also we will discuss some important points that are mandatory to keep in mind while placing an iceberg order. So, what is iceberg order? In simple terms, iceberg order is a special kind of order which is used while placing large quantity orders. It breaks down your large quantity order into small quantity, which are also called lags. When the first lag will be executed, only after that the second one will be sent to the exchange for the execution. Usually what happens when the traders place large quantity order, so they face mainly two problems. First is impact cost and the second one is freeze quantity. Now, what is impact cost? Imagine you want to buy 10,000 shares of a particular company. Now, if you will place this full order in the market, so there are chances that the price of this share may increase by some points because other traders may increase their asking price after looking such a big buy order. And that increased price is called impact cost. For example, when you placed an order for 10,000 quantity at market, so the price was on 100 rupees. But because of this big buy order, the prices fluctuated and the total average price cost you 100 rupees 50 paise. So when we will multiply 0.5 with 10,000, it will be 5,000. Means you assumed to buy those shares at 10 lakh, but instead of this, it cost you 10 lakh 5,000. This is impact cost. Now let's see what is freeze quantity. Exchanges decide a maximum limit for the quantity that can be mentioned in a particular script in an order. For example, the current freeze quantity for Nifty is 1800. Means if you want to buy 2000 quantity, so you will have to place two orders. One is for 1800 and another for 200 quantity. But by using iceberg order, you don't have to place multiple orders. It will break down your order by itself into small lags. So let's see how you can place iceberg order from your trading platform. So I am on our web platform. I have already added a script of Nifty August future. If I want to buy this, I will click on this buy button. Buy window has been opened. Now the quantity, the lot size is 25. I am changing it to 2000. Now I will mention the limit price 24700. Now click on this iceberg button. Now I will have to mention number of lags. I am mentioning 5. So 16 lots, 400 quantity per lag. Now click on this buy button in the bottom side. I am clicking right now. So as you can see, our order has been placed and it is pending. Nifty 24 August future. Type is limit, quantity is 0 by 400 for 1 lag. Price is 24700, time and the status is open. So we have understood how to place an iceberg order. Now we will discuss some important points regarding iceberg order. So the first point is, since each lag is a separate order, due to this, the brokerage will also be charged separately, which means if you have 5 lakhs in one iceberg order, so the brokerage will be charged according to the 5 orders. The next point is, if any lag of an iceberg order is cancelled, so all the remaining pending lags that are yet to be placed will automatically be cancelled. Similarly, if the price of any lag of the iceberg order is modified, the new price will automatically be applied to all the pending lags. The third point is, the minimum order value is 1 lakh for equity and 5 lots for F&O. The fourth point is, iceberg orders cannot be used in the case of market order and SLM orders, stop loss at market orders. And the last point is, iceberg orders are not supported during AMO, pre-open and post-market sessions. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to know more about our trading platforms, so stay connected with our YouTube channel. Thank you.